I'm Cleo Paul from ASB.
And I'm Ava Wizmann from ASB. This is the week of March 25th, 2024.
Welcome to the Norman Update. Starting April 11th through the 18th, 9th grade will take on the NWEA. This test measures academic growth against nationally calibrated standards. For 10th graders, it's NWEA for math and reading/language, plus the CAST science test. Both help inform our instruction. 11th graders will dive into the CASP, assessing readiness for college and careers. Meanwhile, 12th graders will participate in senior activities and have the option to complete the CAST science test. A special bell schedule will be in place to accommodate this, ensuring every student gets the most from these assessments.
The Westside Food Bank Food Drive now extends to April 18th. We're accepting canned goods and more in the office, library, and cafeteria. This is your opportunity to help those in need. Every donation makes a difference.
Attention, seniors and families. Graduation is set for May 31st, 9 a.m. at Nickel Field. General seating is first come, first serve. For a better view, BHHS PTSA will offer preferred seating options. Keep an eye out for more details.
Don't miss the Sharing Our Stories Assembly on March 26th in the Media Center. RSVP for pizza and to hear impactful stories of recovery. It's a chance to learn about substance misuse, recovery, and coping from peers who have lived it.
BHHS seniors, there is a brand new scholarship available. The Anannke Foundation, in collaboration with BHEF, is offering $3,000 to 2 students. Eligibility requires completing 3 years in a Pathways program. Apply by April 15th at bhhs.bhusd.org/anannke.com.
Every Friday, join Mr. Chavez for football and soccer during lunch. It's open to everyone. Come play or cheer. It's a great way to end the week on a high note, showing your Norman spirit on the field.
Thank you for watching the Norman Update. I'm Cleo Paul.
And I'm Ava Wizmann. We will see you next week.